Alrighty YouTube, so here's a real quick do-it-yourself home project, and good thing I didn't film during it because I would have been cursing like a sailor the whole time. Had to make an additional trip to the hardware store in the middle of it, but anyway, let me show you what was going on here. Stand by. Okay, so here's my old faucet in this Lowe's bag. There's the handle there. It was a type you could pull out and spray. It was good for washing the dog and cat or whatnot. Basically, it got to the point, if I can even find the lever. Here it is right here. This lever right here, I couldn't go from hot to cold anymore. I'm suspecting it was just all rusted in there. But, yeah. So, forget that. Just had to replace it. But the problem I ran into was that when I went to take the faucet out, and this is odd because there's no leakage or rust marks or anything down there, but you know, here's the deal that holds the faucet in. I mean, this was attached to the faucet. I obviously cut it with a reciprocating saw. The problem was the bottom of it, when I was trying to take it out, was all rusted, and there was no way I was going to get that off of there. Believe me, I tried. Put a big old pair of channel locks on there and had my son hold the top, and no way. So easiest thing was just to get it down as far as I could, pull it up, and just cut it off. And in the process of cutting it off, you know, it cut your hot, cold, and your sprayer off too, but that's fine. So that's why I replaced it. It was just a piece of doo-doo. It was old, and probably because it never really got used in here. This is in the laundry room, so I've been using it since I bought the house, but who knows before us. Anyways, I just got this one here at Lowe's. This one was $100. It was on sale, I think, for $80, and that's not bad. You know, it's the brush, what is that, stainless? Yeah, I guess it is like a stainless, brush nickel stainless, whatever you want to call it. And the end pulls out right there, just like the other one, you know, for washing the dog or cat. And it's got a lifetime warranty, so I'll hold on to that. But I got this one all put in. So here's the problem. Look at where the faucet is. See, it's to the left-hand side of the tub over this way. The basin, whatever, the sink. So it's right over here. Look where my hot and cold water valves are. Okay, you would think it would work, right? Because the old one worked. But let me show you this. This is another thing where I ran into trouble here, if I can find them. Oh, I know where I put them. Hold on. So these are the old supplies coming, you know, supply lines coming off the bottom of the faucet. Your hot and your cold. You can see where I cut them. So if we put them like that, there's where they went. You know, you had quite a bit of, hell, you had almost 12 inches on the one and probably about 8 inches on the other, 10 inches on the other, something. So my original 20-inch stainless steel supply hoses fit. But guess what? They didn't fit on the new one because I didn't have 12 or 10 inches coming out of the faucet. You can see it's a lot shorter. So they wouldn't reach. And of course, Lowe's had it closed. So I ran up to Walmart, and thank goodness Walmart had two in stock. They had two 30-inch braided hoses in stock, so I wasn't worried about using those. Those will last. So I had to get I got two 30s and made it to Walmart with an hour to spare. So got it all back in there, and on the threads on that big where it anchors the faucet there, you might be able to see I put a little bit of anti-seize on there because I don't want any rust issues in the future. And you can see the holes on each side in case you had a 2-valve faucet. I put plenty of pipe plumber's putty in there. So should have no more trouble. Got it all done. Throw that in the garbage can. And I don't know why, but I was going to hold on to these. I have a problem holding on to stuff. You never know. Might need them in the future for something. Definitely hold on to all these old hoses. I mean, I had several of them available, but just none of them were long enough. The ones I got at Walmart, seemed too bad. Peerless, 30-inch, $9 a piece or something. So anyways, now I got a new faucet in here. Looks pretty cool. Got 2 buttons back here on the back. This one here has a real positive retention in there, but it comes out. Got a nice swivel there. That's nice. But there, it locks in there real well. Alrighty, folks. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one. Now I get to clean all this junk up. Yeah, and I keep all my plumbing stuff in a tote. I need a bigger tote, but I got half of it out, but keep it all in a tote.